Aranjueta. 19 years old, from Tuguegarao City. She believes that no entry, no ID.
No ID
She
na
loves
entry.
playing volleyball, playing digits, playing PSP, and playing gown. Our contestant number 1, Miss Maria Ursula Eco. Welcome on stage, contestant number 2. Miss Maricar Pelado Rosso. Although from Balanga City, Bataan, is Brothers Sisters. She likes dancing, cooking, and playing basketball. She also attended different seminars like marketing, wellness commerce, and cell-phone repair. A gown created by Mang Tomas. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome candidate number 2. Please welcome on stage our contestant number 3. She likes playing poker, playing dama, and playing basketball. She also attends different kind of seminar, like casino making, sandals making, and pants making. Number 3, Miss Scenery Bartolome. How about a big hand candidate number 4? All the way from Baguio City. Her gown is inspired by African zebra. Rated by J. Chris. She also likes attending different seminars like chicken dressing, table setting, and ribbon cutting. The best of number 4. Our last candidate.
Excuse me.
Candidate number 5. Our candidate number 5 is from Barrio Maasig, Pilar, Bataan. She likes playing Dota, playing Ragnarok, and serving the net. She also attends different kinds of seminar, like tahong dressing, bruta de crema making, and leche plan making. That is candidate number 5, Miss Zebra Bartolome. Okay, there you have it, our 5 lovely candidates in the former way. Let's move on. Okay, so palakpakan naman sa ating mga kandidata.
Ikaw, Sergeant Jordan.
Yes? Candidate number 5.
Ay, saka pala po. Saka pala.
Siyempre yung gowns, lahat na yan, at make-up ay prepare ni Tonto. Ni Tonto.